ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you.
Hello, how you doing? This is Jay White, and I'm back again with another video. And today's video is Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, happy Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, in California, everyone celebrates Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, and today I ordered me some tacos. Let me show you guys. Let's unbox the tacos. We're gonna have a taco unboxing. Yes, I have ordered these tacos from Jimenez. Look. I must say I did add it tacos. I did add some more cabbage to it. It has a lot of meat. Look. Can you say tacos? Okay. They said 4 mini tacos, but they look big to me. Looks good. Cheers. This is great. Crystal Light or Hawaiian Punch. Whatever it is, it's sugar free. That's good. Nothing like that great. Okay, the tacos. The only thing I must say I don't like about the tacos is I like my taco shell kind of cooked a little bit. This is just a little bit. They gave me their salsa. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the salsa on the tacos. A little bit. Well, this is a little bit. This is La Victoria right here. A little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. Then I'm gonna add some of their salsa, which tastes just like La Victoria. It's not hot enough for me. I like it hot. If you can't, like I tell anybody or any man, if I when I do get wet, if you can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Then I put my little, I know this is Asian sauce, but it adds the spice. My fried crushed chili pepper, you only supposed to add a little. Last time I added too much. Woo, it was hot. Woo. Yes, it was, y'all. Then I got my lemon. Okay, the reason why I'm dressed up today, you guys, I had a TV interview, but we had to reschedule. So, I'll let you guys know. I didn't tell you guys, I don't know. I'll let you guys know when I have another one. Interview. Whew, it's gonna be next week. Oh, look it. Yum, 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 the taco. You're riding the taco boat. Yum, yum, the taco. Okay, let's try it. These are the mini tacos, y'all. Can you say taco? Let's see. Good. Spicy because of, it's called cha. It's called O-Cha, O-C-H-A, fried chili oil. It's spicy, but I like it. It's good, but Jimenez has good tacos, but I like my taco shell cooked. I just put it on the grill or something. It don't taste like they put it on the grill. That's like they put the meat on a cold taco shell. But it's good, y'all. I ordered a side of taco. Yeah, I got up this morning. I put off my rings and everything. I got home. Got up this morning. Got dressed. Had my heels. My feet was hurting and everything. Got dressed for the interview and everything. Made my little jelly sandwiches. J pepper jelly. It's hot. 2 days ago it was hot. We had the air conditioner on. It was like 90 something degrees. Now it's back in the 60s. Starting. I think all this week's gonna be in the 60s and the 70s, maybe 80s. Then after that we're gonna go back into the triple digits. Oh my God. Good taco. I'm the kind of person, if I don't like something, it's good. I wish I could go back in there and just put these tortillas on the grill. Tonight is Friday night. They're probably having all Cinco de Mayo celebration. I know they have one in River Park. And last night, I don't know if the guy behind me, I don't know if he's a DJ. He had his music going to 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, so he was getting ready. Woo! That's hot. Y'all better try. If y'all like hot food, try this, y'all. He must be getting ready for the weekend. It's hot. So, you know, they're going to be partying. I won't sing. I'll let them slide because it's the weekend. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hot, isn't it? Sometimes you can add too much chili. Supposed to add a dab of this. Sometimes you can add too much chili and it'd be too hot. So this, I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. This is my lunch. I'm gonna have breakfast. I had tacos. I might have my coffee this morning. It tastes like milk. In my coffee, I add Splenda, 3 Splendas, and I add my creamer. Right, today, I'm gonna add too much creamer. I didn't finish it. Coffee is like a meal. It can be. So that could be your breakfast and your lunch all at once. It will keep you full all day. I should have a diet. I mean, I should try a coffee diet. It really works. But you got the key is, can you use sugar? Splenda. I could use your skim milk. They even have low-fat creamers now with flavors. I'll use my lemon. Their tacos is good, but I should have made my taco. So yeah, the coffee keeps you. So especially when you're working, it keeps you moving and keep your adrenaline going. People say, "What are you on? Why are you moving so?" The coffee. Don't let me get no espresso shots. I kind of steer away from that. I'm in Las Vegas. We gotta do that walking. Double espresso shots. And caramel macchiato coffee. Could nobody catch up with me. And now I'm watching a Lifetime movie. I don't want to get anything on my... Sorry, y'all. On my shirt. Woo. Yeah, I'm going to do an interview with my jelly. on my J pepper jelly. I made I'm using Hawaiian buns. I made roasted chicken sliders with cream cheese, roasted chicken, and my cranberry jelly on top. That's good. I'll be back after this mess. I'll be back. Oh my God, that's what I get. Okay. Okay, you guys. And the show must go on. Thanks to 409, the great carpet cleaner that I had to use when I waste that stuff on my carpet. When you spray it, it comes right up. Thanks for that. Woo! You're gonna give me a napkin. I'm not getting up no more. Wow. Wow, I never did that. Then when I dropped the, finish the tacos, I'm gonna finish the tacos. Then when I dropped the drink, I heard somebody back there laughing. And my daughter. I'm getting all these texts right now. She was laughing. But that was kind of my fault because of the way I had it set. So now I'm drinking tea. Back to the tacos on hand. This is real good. I like it when it's hot. It's like it's no good when it's not hot. But you guys, I have a lot of sponsorships that I gotta do. Tape and stuff. The lemon. I'm ate 4 tacos, you guys. I'm almost done. Don't y'all laugh either. And then my tacos cold. Oh. I don't get napkins. But I go back to next week. Back to work next week. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I moved my candles too. I don't want to break those. I'll really be mad if I drop my candles. But as I said in the other video, this table is made to sit on and sit Asian style. It has, you know, departments where you sit your ottomans on. Oh, this tacos is good. Taco is good. Yeah, back to work next week, y'all. You're gonna see how long that lasts. So good. So, got up this morning. I didn't do much today. Got up this morning, got dressed, get ready to go to the interview. So, we're gonna do it next week. I wasn't going to the mall, but did I get a napkin? How did a napkin get wet? I don't know. But when I go to the mall, today's the first of the month. So you know everybody's gonna be out spending. It's gonna be packed. I need to go to Bath and Body. Woo! Almost done, y'all. I have a small taco. Okay. There's no way I could eat 4 big tacos. That's why I ordered them anyway. Do you guys eat tacos for breakfast? I do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an update on my brother. He's still in the hospital. Right now they're doing rehab on him, and he's still doing dialysis. I wonder what kind of disease would catch him. The blood disease that gave him that made his kidneys shut down, starting to fail. Made his kidneys starting to fail. I don't know what kind of disease was that. Got that from jail. Woo. This is hot. This is hot. This is hot, hot, hot. Bread is good when it's hot. I got my salsa. I hate when you go to the taco stand and I order this DoorDash. They don't give you. They're trying to save down. They try to save their salsa, or they when it gets to when it's almost out, they add water to it. They water it down. I hate that. This is the last taco, you guys. My dogs was being there taking a nap because they realized I wasn't gonna give them none. So good. You guys, hope you guys enjoy your day. A Cinco de Mayo only a California thing? I don't know. I don't think so. It's everywhere. Concerning the war, anyway. That was about. We learned about it in history. I forgot. That was so good. It hit me in the right spot. I'm gonna go in there. My hair. I'm gonna go dye it black, so I can wear my I want to wear a black ponytail. My real hair just growing fast. I braided at night. It's braided now. Oh, somebody's calling me right now. That's why. I know one thing. Never promise people stuff. Well, I don't really promise I was gonna do this. Go somewhere. Whew. Oh my God. I'm sorry, guys. I'm watching the TV. I'm supposed to be talking to the camera. It's good, but I put too much of that crunchy stuff on it. That crunchy hot oil, but it's real good. Give you guys some. Well, this is gonna be the short video today. I just stopped in to say happy Cinco de Mayo. And I'm sorry about what happened when I spilled that drink everywhere. Shoot. Whew, that was hot. You know, hot food help keep your metabolism going. It burns calories too. There you go. I ate 5 tacos. Ooh. Ooh. You guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick mini video. And make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Bye. 'Cause I love